Something.
Hello.
Hello, good
Very
evening.
nice night. We've done over 3 vlogs already. And it's cold.
And it's cold. You need to do that.
Yeah.
Because it's quite cold here. Daddy brought us here, so
Yeah, he's gone
it's really
parking.
nice.
He went to go
This is
park.
a nice place. It's half moon.
Yeah.
Half moon today. So yeah, we can see the Richmond. That's the park house here in Richmond, and then we're going there. We will walk over there. The Richmond Hotel. This is really
Yeah,
the
the
nice.
Harbour
This is
Hotel.
the nice, one of the nicest place. The posh place. Oh my God, what's that? Fox? Fox's dogs.
It's a dog.
Dogs.
Yeah.
Fox also. You know what is so cool? And that one, look, that's overlooking there, guys. You know, London overlooking. Why is that? So, William, hello, my love.
Yeah.
We're waiting for Daddy. Is it okay, Dad? My love. Smile. Yes, so this is where we are now. It's a Richmond place. What is it, love? That's Twickenham? Where?
Twickenham.
I feel a bit, my love. I feel a bit dizzy. That's why I'm so very careful.
Dizzy.
Oh my gosh, look at it. Yeah, because of my, you know, I still have the vertigo.
My stomach's shaking.
I like the, I really like, we like this place. It's the best, one of the best, one of the poshest in London, posh place in London. What is that, love? What's that over there? What is that? It's like, isn't it? I can't take pictures now because I'm taking live videos. William, look at, baby, come. You say welcome. So yeah. What is that? Over there, babe. Babe. This over there.
It's Twickenham Rugby Ground.
Twickenham.
Rugby?
It's the rugby ground. Yeah.
Oh, the rugby.
Oh, I thought it was a football.
Twickenham is like
That one over there.
quite near
It's
Sharon,
rugby.
Twickenham,
Yeah,
isn't it?
it's the rugby ground.
Near my friend, near our friend. Yeah, there's, what's happening? What is happening? I want to walk over there. Why is it that there's the police are patrol? God, it's cold. They must be chasing someone. Come on, laugh now. We're going to,
You
we're
want to go
walk
that way
to
or you
the.
want to go that way to the hotels?
I like to see the hotel. Oh, you know what? Love, it's so cold. It is. William, you're gonna feel cold. Yeah. I'd like to go there, so we cannot take so long. I don't like very long video, isn't it? Love? It's quite boring. I would get bored.
Yeah, long videos are long and
It's not really nice, you know, when it's too much, when it's so long.
yeah. One annoying thing
Take a
about
picture.
yeah.
Sige, just hold it because I'm gonna walk with Dad.
One not
We'll have
annoying
to reverse this.
One annoying thing about iPhone is that they all, like, if you leave the screen on for too long, they intend to, like, the screen goes dark and then it turns off.
I know. Is that a church, love? Huh? Isn't it? What is that? What's the name? It's really nice. See the overlooking. It's a nice place. It's chasing her. I know. looks like.
That's definitely the Twickenham.
Huh?
Rugby's on.
Oh my God! Look at that! I told
Wait,
you
is
that.
it?
Look, I'm very
Wait, the
much.
rugby. People are playing rugby. Rugby's on right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were here before, yeah. When Kuya Hansen at the isn't it enough this first time? Look at the airplane. Is that a British Airways? British Airways? Philippine Airlines.
Because you always see a British Airways here. Hello.
Hello. What is that, love? The leaves is they're coming out.
They're blooming.
Wow.
Oh, there's a scope.
It's gonna,
Is that a scope?
it's going to
Can you look
spring.
for it? Oh, yeah.
Where's the scope? The Ashburton. What's Ashburton? It's just a flat stuff.
Other way round.
Oh, yeah.
The other way around. Ouch. Careful.
See
I'd
anything?
like to see that. I'd like to see that. Okay, I'm gonna. Oh, look at that. It's a church. It's surely a church, love.
Yeah, I did see some.
Huh? No? What is it? What is it then?
Who's that there?
It really looks like.
That's the pub, isn't it?
Huh?
So it's very cold.
Take me a picture.
I'm not sure what that is.
Pop.
Hey, I can see something.
What can you see, love?
houses.
Yeah.
What can you
The
see?
aeroplane taking
Yeah.
What can you see, Baba?
Yeah.
What you can see?
Yeah. I can see
The one's
that
gone up
house
really
over
quick.
there. It's
What
so
you can
close
see?
to us.
That one's quite slow and one's slow. What is that? And one's coming into land and one's just taken off. That's what that is.
What is? Yeah, I
One's
know.
landing, one's taking
Landing
off.
and taking off.
See it?
I can see the stadium.
So people can walk in here, love.
Yeah,
Look,
it was like it looked like it was right
Babe.
next to me.
they can walk in here, love. And that.
No, I
Huh?
can't. If you go up like
black.
that.
That's
No, if you go up like that.
Hi, love. Say,
No, if you go
say
up.
hi, love.
If you go up higher.
Hi.
Yeah, that's black. Can't see
No, I
nothing.
can,
Yeah,
I
got
can.
some good eyes then.
I can see it.
I think I
see
need to off it, and then we're going to the hotel. Start, don't touch. There is it.
Yes. Ashburton.
We're gonna off it first.
Robot.
So this is the Richmond, and we're going to walk. We're going to walk to the Richmond Hotel. Just some sights.
A lot of benches. I think 150 people will be seeing all these
hotel.
benches a day.
Inside the look at that. You wanna go down, babe? Nice steps.
Really?
It's really like it here.
Just about see
Huh?
just about see the river.
The river. We
Yeah.
can't go down. I don't want to go down there. I don't like it. It's so cold, love. No, I'll just be happy. I get cold. I'm sorry about this.
It's because it's windy.
Look at that. Nice pub. It's a robot. I think we are a bit quite near here, Richmond, where your office.
Oh, Roebuck Road.
Yeah, I know. It's very nice pub.
Roebuck,
Robot.
as in like the
Very
deer.
Huh?
Roebuck.
Roebucks.
Is it? A deer?
Roebuck. Whoa.
Deer.
Nice. It's a nice pub there. Nice pub.
I thought that trash can was an actual human.
Is it a pub?
Walking.
Should be. It looks like a I know. See, that's what I say. Baby, careful. Stay with us here. Because we don't really hold the control. I no longer, I don't know, but I no longer there's so much going on at night. Isn't it? Huh? Huh?
I love it. My favourite dog. Well, border collies are my favourite, but second.
Go to the shower, look at that. It's the Richmond Hotel. The week.
It's nice.
Yeah. What
They
have you?
walk really a long
Get
way.
inside there. Got that there, look. It's going down there.
It's a hill.
Are you sure it's a pub lang? Oh, I don't know. It's kind of, maybe it's also like a, you know, a hotel or like a, isn't it?
It's very quiet.
Let's cross over
Very
and
quiet.
walk back a little bit. Is it safe? Going to cross. We'd like to see the Richmond Hotel. It's just really nice. I really like it. Here. Isn't it now? Come on. It's really good. It's a Richmond Hotel.
Ooh.
I look at that.
Wow, cool.
You're not allowed, love. There's the Richmond Hotel. So we just decided to go out. Or psst, be careful. Don't come near cars because it will just, you know, alarm. Quite cold. And yeah. Baby, stay right back, please. Okay, that's all for now. Good night. It's just a nice place here, so we decided to come over. Cute. I need to off now because it's quite a bit. I'm not really into going out all the time, so and the things going on, it's quite very worrying. So it's still very safe here, but you don't know all the time. We better be careful. Good night. Bye. Take care and thank you for watching.